Hi there. Thank you so much for deciding to watch this really short video on how you can build a coaching program in less than 30 minutes. And in this short 7 to 8 minute video, I will be building a high value coaching program from scratch to the end, whatever is required in front of you, from figuring out your niche, your positioning, your messaging, your webinar scripts, your 3 to 5 day boot camp scripts, the slides, your high ticket offer, your mentoring program, and all the marketing collateral out there. You might be thinking this is stupid, this is crazy, but absolutely not. So please keep yourself free for the next 7 to 8 minutes. Plug on your earphones, tell everybody around you to stop disturbing you, and let's get on with it. I'm going to share my screen. So I'm going to be showing you how to exactly create a course. So this is 1% coach. The first thing I do is I log in and I create a project. Let's say I want to create a project on life coaching. So I type life coaching and I press on next. Now what happens here is we have trained AI models on each and every important niche out there. For example, Matthew is an expert in finance and investment coaching. Then we have art and hobby. They have spiritual coaching, business coaching, finance, fitness, health and wellness coaching, personal development, career coaching, digital marketing coaching, a lot of things. Let's say since it's life coaching, I choose a personal development coach and I press on create. Now my project is created. In this particular project, there are 4 steps. We have created like a step-by-step thing. You figure out your niche, you build your webinar, you generate your bootcamp, you create your mentoring program. So I go to niche discovery. Now in your niche, to figure out your highly profitable niche out there, we need to answer 4 questions. The first is, who is my audience and what do they do for a living? Let's say my target audience is working professionals and their age is anywhere between 24 to 54. Now here I need to answer what my coaching is about, my coaching focus area, which is life coaching. Okay. Now here is the brilliant part. Our AI understands who's your target audience, what is your coaching about, and it suggests what are all the problems you can solve for people. For example, is it lack of motivation? Is it fear of failure? Is it low self-esteem? Let's say I choose feeling lost or lack of purpose. The next thing you need to do is figure out what is a negative emotion which people are going through. Is it stress? Is it frustration? Is it anxiety? Let's say I choose they're anxious. So the problem I'm solving for working professionals is they are feeling lost or they feel as if they don't have a purpose and they're anxious about it. And the next thing I need to enter is what is the aspiration or goals they want to achieve. We figure out, is it improving their strength? Is it prosperity? We can either choose or we can enter it manually. For example, I say here, find your life's purpose. And what are the positive emotions? Do they want to feel relaxed, satisfied, confident, empowered, hopeful? Let's say empowered. Now, I need to answer the last set of questions. One is, what makes your coaching stand out? Meaning, am I using a specific strategy? Am I using a specific methodology that is unique to me? But I will put here using the Ikigai framework, right? That's the very, I would say, well-known topic. So I'm choosing that. Then I need to enter what is the bold result I will give to my clients. So I will put here, find your purpose and live a meaningful life. Instead of live, I'll put design a meaningful life in 60 days. Okay. Now I answered 4 to 5 questions quickly to run through it. I answered who's my target audience, what is my coaching about, what are the pain points I'm solving, what are the goals I'm fulfilling, what is my USP, and what result I'm going to give. And I press on create. Now, what it does, as I had mentioned before, there are 7 steps to launch your coaching out there. Number 1, it helps you find a highly profitable niche. Here it says transformational purpose coach. Here is your niche. Here is your positioning statement. I empower ambitious professionals to find their life's true purpose and take control of my destiny. Here is my coaching program name, Purpose Quest, discovering your Ikigai for a meaningful life. I have a value proposition. I have a LinkedIn bio, Instagram bio, LinkedIn about us section, and even my mastermind community name. So you figure out your niche, your messaging, your coaching program name. Now, the next thing what we need to figure out is your promo material. So I click on this one button and boom, here your promo material is needed. You just need to copy, paste and circulate it to people. Now we figure out our niche, the messaging, the promo material. What we need is we need to understand the pillars of our coaching, right? What are the 4 to 5 pillars of our coaching? Here you go. You have pillar 1, pillar 2, pillar 3, pillar 4, pillar 5. Now that this is done, we need to figure out the most important thing, which is build our high ticket offer. So in one click, we figured out our high ticket offer number with all the bonuses, bonus 1, bonus 2, you have 10 bonuses, the deliverables and the painful bonus. Next, in one click of a button, you figure out your ad copy for Facebook. Here is the headline, the story, the benefits, the call to action. So what we did is in just a few clicks, we figure out your niche, the messaging, the promo material, the pillars of your coaching, your high ticket offer, your ad copy. Okay, now let's build your webinar. Now, when I put my webinar, I need to do the same things, answer 4 to 5 questions. What is my niche? My niche is transformation coach. My target audience is working professionals, 25 to 55. The bold result is find your life's purpose and design a meaningful life in 60 days. And then I need to enter 3 secrets. What are the 3 secrets? I would say first one, understanding the concept of what it means to lead a purposeful life. Second, I would say finding your ikigai. Third thing is designing a life based on your ikigai. And I press on next. So here you can give additional information for each of the 3 secrets out there. You can copy paste it from the internet, you can type it, you can drag and drop your file. I press on create. Now here, as you can see, it is creating a minute-to-minute webinar script for you. That's right, your whole webinar script is being generated minute to minute. First part is the intro out there. Your whole webinar script is generated. The second part is the core content. I'm going to click on this button. Here is the whole structure for the core content of the webinar. What is secret 1? The description, the biggest problem, the step-by-step solution, the case study. Same thing. Here is your whole content and you just need to read this out in your session. Now, the third part is the sales bridge, meaning you had your intro, which gives you a minute-to-minute intro script. You had your core content of the webinar. Now you transition to the sales. Here is your sales bridge and how you transition. And you click on one button, here is your sales pitch. Check this out. Here is your sales pitch. Now, here is the beauty of this. Along with preparing your whole webinar script, it even builds slides for you. I click on this one button. Here is the slideshow out there, guys. As you can see, it even builds the slide by slide out there for the whole webinar. This is the first part out there. So this has around 9 to 10 slides. You can choose how many slides you can generate, but to each and every part of the webinar out there. And it's the same thing for future modules, which you see, be it for the bootcamp, be it for the mentoring program generated, for all parts of them, the slides also will be generated. As you can see, in just a few clicks, we figured out your whole webinar script, which you can read it along with the slides. Now, let us build your 3 to 5 day bootcamp. The bootcamp format is also the same. Enter your niche. I would say transformation coach for working professionals. The target audience is working professionals. The bold result is design a purposeful and meaningful life in 90 days. Then I choose how many days I want. I've chosen I want a 5 day bootcamp, and same I enter 3 secrets. I would say first things first, set your life goals to align with your purpose. Second thing, create a step-by-step action plan to accomplish it. Third thing, take feedback based on the results of action and proceed. Okay, and I press on next. Same thing here. For each and every secret, you can put your own content and upload files if you want. I press on create. Now this is a complete 5 day bootcamp generator. So check this out. This is day 1 curriculum, right? It's the intro. What are the 3 secrets? Then what is the training about? This is the whole day 1 content for your 5 day bootcamp. This is your complete day 2 content, right? It is giving you a complete step-by-step content, day-wise content. You don't need to worry about creating content anymore, right? Check this out. This is day 3's content out there. complete content on what you need to deliver on day 3. This is day 4's content. Check this out. Complete step-by-step content for day 4. And here is your day 5 summary. So in just a few clicks, your whole bootcamp content is ready. Now, to do a quick recap, what did we do? Figure out your niche, we figure out your messaging, we figure out your pillars of coaching, we figure out your high ticket offer, your ad copy, your landing page copy, your webinar script, the slides, and your bootcamp. The last thing you need is your mentoring program. Same thing over here. You need to figure out your niche, the target audience, what is the outcome, and you need to choose how many modules. If you want 4 modules, you can choose 4 modules. If you want 3 modules, you can choose 3 modules. And I press on create. And it creates a complete module by module content for you. Right? Each module has 7 parts and it builds all the modules that is required for you to deliver your mentoring program. In one click, my module 2 is done. This is a detailed module for you. So I had chosen only 2 modules out there. So my 2 modules curriculum is done. So what are the things we were able to do in just a few clicks? We figured your niche, your promo material, your pillars of your coaching, your high ticket offer, your ad copy, your landing page copy, your webinar script, slides for the webinar, your 5-day bootcamp, and your mentoring program. And it doesn't even end there. We also have a really cool feature called AI Composer, where you can build your email warm-up sequences, your WhatsApp messages, your image ads, your video ads, your social media content, and you can even author an ebook. So this is how we are going to do it. If you're someone who wants to leverage this technology, use the new way and create and launch a coaching program in just 30 minutes, click the link below and book a call. Now, what is going to happen is once you book a call, you will be redirected to a form out there and you need to fill up the form. Please take care and fill up the form in detail. Then you will get a call or you will get a WhatsApp message from one of our consultants to see if you're a good fit and we can really help you out there. If you feel we can help you and we can build a course for you and it is the right thing, you can get on a call with us. And in that call, 1, we will answer all your questions, give you clarifications about your niche, your coaching, whatever it is. 2, if you require it, we will build a course then and there for you there. After that, if we align, yes, we have a launchpad offer. If you qualify it, we're going to help you set up your whole coaching in just 7 days. So thank you so much for being patient and watching the video. Click the link below and book a call with us.